I go for a walk, but I will walk locally in my living area, so nothing special to see. Today I would like to speak about artificial intelligence and its influence for me as a creator. IA apps, somehow I a little bit scared to go into it. But together, at the same time, I really don't want to stay behind all technologies. Live like a Tarzan, in the jungles, away from the cities. Anyway, I know that I can make my life with IA a little much easier. And before, when I have, in beginning, when I started to do those my morning chat videos, I felt very frustrated about speaking, and they had that idea to use IA voice. I even looked on Google. Some voices of IA is very attractive and nice to hear, and they thought maybe I need to do same, like many people, they use IA voices to speak their content. But inside, in my heart, I felt that I do something. That idea about IA voice was somehow don't want to fit in my belief system. And I spoke with I asked my galactic family guides, is it right to do? And the answer was no, very clear no. I told them why. Because they say if I use IA, I will hide myself, I will lose my uniqueness. That our voice, it's very unique and is one of a kind. No, they said my voice is only one on the whole universe, and it has its own unique vibrations, which fits in the tapestry of God's creation. There is reason why I have this kind of voice, why I speak the way I speak. This is my uniqueness, this is my treasure, this is my gift from God. And they said you don't need, it's your choice to use that voice. My voice somehow and of course your voice too. If I speak about myself, it's for you too, this information. When I speak, my voice vibrates some kind of energies, and it reaches, my voice energy will be recognized by other energies, because everything is energy. And they said that IA, it's not the way for me to go. They meant that if I go IA, it means I deny myself. I deny my gifts. I thought, okay. What they told me, my galactic family, my guides, they said, do whatever you want, but in public supposed to be your voice. Yesterday I looked to the apps, how they call ChatGPT, if I say correctly, and there is many kind of apps for all life areas, and that artificial intelligence, it's pushing itself hardly in all areas of living. And it's very thin line between my uniqueness and IA. From that, yesterday when I looked to that apps and possibilities of IA, I was mind blowing. It's how smart that IA can be. But that truth, if it is truth, I don't know, is it truth? Where it comes from anywhere in internet, it's other people's opinion. It brings, and you're not sure is true or not true. And they thought, okay. And there was what is attractive for me is because on that apps there was spare section for social media. For example, that IA can check, is my post set up correctly to publish, This is useful, actually. I don't need to do this work, It's my as a creator work person. My main task is to create those dolls, finish them, and release them. I am Aquarius by zodiac, and technologies is something related to me. But honestly, I really little bit scary to lose my authenticity in that IA, because yesterday what I saw, what they do, that IA is really amazing. It's very easy to get lazy and let everything do for IA. Now I'm wavering, Maybe today I need to download and set up that apps. I just checked, yesterday I even scared to get it in my phone. So I'm not sure. I feel that inside it would be right to do, it will be easier, faster, I would have more time to do dolls, than I spend for social media to run my social media. I don't know, I'm still wavering. And I have one colleague at work. Once we have very rich conversation about IA, because he asked me the question, which I was very surprised. How would you deal with the IA arts? If you I saw on Pinterest, IA made arts, those pictures, of girls' portraits. It's so beautiful. Even I looked at them, it's so inspirable. But even I save some for inspirations, But now again, I am asking myself, could be IA art inspirable? Is it the right source for inspiration? I don't know. I need to speak about it with my galactic family, what it says for me. Let's do it now. I will ask my consciousness in my mind, is it right thing for inspiration? Are they saying me that the right inspiration which comes from the heart and in dreaming process? They say that IA art could be inspirable, could be source, but I need to look through my perspective. What my heart seeking, what it wants to how it wants to express, and how that IA art affects me in the moment. And they said it's very important to be aware and in line with my uniqueness. My uniqueness is what it comes from my heart, not from the mind, what I see. And they say me, remember the creative process, which I learned through the creation of these dolls. They telling me now all this. You are knowledged, have information, so use it in practice. In any conditions that is changing around you, I'm telling right now them the information and knowledge as well could be changeable during the time. And they saying to this, stay in your heart space always, all the time. Listen to your intuition. That is real. This is not artificial. Your intuition is real. Your soul is real. That's the main source for creativity. Oh, that's nice. You can use art. I'm channeling now. I don't know. I just say it. I don't. Interesting. Okay. They're saying that use IA to express, to make stronger your uniqueness. Do not deny yourself your gifts that is natural from God. IA could be powerful tool to help to express your uniqueness. They constantly repeat uniqueness. That's how important it is. In future, there will be time when everything will be, all information, all visual, especially visual information will be, they give me information with in a bunch, I need to express it. They give me that all information, especially visual, will be, I use knitted in the tapestry where only through the intuition you can recognize where is truth. That's how will be with that IA. Okay, my galactic family spoke a lot about uniqueness, and now, sorry guys, I need to connect back somehow. Okay, I'm watching right now my thoughts and see what I have, and constantly is running the thought about handmade arts. You know, artificial intelligence can do a lot for you and for me, but they have no hands. That is clever. Yeah, that's how human beings is unique. They have no hands, and the IA is controlled by someone else behind. It's like a dog on the lead, and it's up to us to give the power for that dog and control us. Yeah, about handmade art, you know, those are inspirable, beautiful IA arts which I saw on Pinterest. They are beautiful, but they are not real. They are only pictures. And sometimes I'm wondering if that person behind the IA who gave command for this, to create this kind of art, could we call it creator? Guys, good news, I'm connecting with my galactic family. Is it, could we tractate them as an artist? And straight away my family is telling me right now that artist is a label, and they would recommend do not limit myself to the word artist because it's limiting. We put on ourselves label that limits us in our expression, because keep in mind, I'm channeling again, keep in mind that we are more than artists. They're saying you are more than artist, you are creator. Artist is a human-made label, but it was made unconsciously in line with what we see. Oh, how it was. Okay, and it was made unconsciously, like in many labels we have. They are made unconsciously, without deep recognition, deep thinking. So those people behind the IA, in some kind, they are creative in using their creative energy. There is no bad or good art. There is only vibrational energy levels between it, and all arts is good. If the art creator itself is in high vibrational energy, the art which he or she creates, it's as well in high vibrational energy, and it will be recognized by the people who are in same vibrational energy, or in lower vibration energy won't be able to recognize higher vibrational energy. But sometimes it could be feel that for example in art, in music, I mean art in all areas. We are all create all the time in every second. So that some people, it would be more accurate to say some energies which is in lower vibrational energy, and if they see or hear facing the art in higher vibrational energy, they can't understand it, but in the heart they can feel that is something special about it, you know. Maybe they can visually understand it, recognize it, but deep inside they have that subtle feeling that is something special about that art piece or that music or that song or that anything that was created. And this is because I'm channeling again. This is because as a human, this recognition, that special feeling comes from the depth of that person's being, and it comes from the soul. Soul recognize it, because between in the heavens, in the real world, between souls there is no secrets. They recognize each other. They know intentions, each other's intentions, thoughts, everything, wishes. So only we humans live in density, and we can't see it. It feels like separation. About the IA, is that person an artist, creative? Yeah, it is creative in some way, in some vibrational, but you know, IA can't create in hands. They can't do handmade. Maybe they can do picture, they can do text, they can do words for song, but it can't sing like you sing with your unique voice. You know what I mean? This is the way to use IA. Get information, test that information through the feelings, through your heart space. See, is it resonate with you? Is it in line with your dreams? And then act on it by yourself. That's how we overcome IA, and we use IA for ourselves. And for example, if that person who created those amazing through the IA, they use IA as a tool to create their dreams, their imagination, express their imagination. It's very complicated. Is it in some way? It is art. That person is artist, but the creativity of that person limits itself to to describing its imagination, you know, not by doing something. Maybe this is a new generation creators, because if everything is energy, it means that the same God's energy express itself through the IA as well. I don't know. This is questions for me. After this conversation with my galactic family, maybe I don't allow that apps to help me with social medias, to check, you know, those tax and everything rules, you know, which I have no interest, but I must do it to reach as many people as possible. And maybe you listeners can help me, precious souls, help me to spread the news, because my intention is to reach as many people as possible to know that this kind of dolls is coming, and this high vibrational energy dolls created through my soul, expressed it through me, and it's not IA, it's handmade, it's real.